Good morning, students. I'm Gurpriya, and today we will learn about simple past tense. Now, what are past tense verbs? Past tense verbs describe an action that has happened in the past. Many past tense verbs are formed by adding ed to the verb. Like, for example, play will change into played. The children played in the park yesterday. The simple past tense is used to express action that took place at some point of time in the past and are over now. For example, I joined the school last month. She received this letter yesterday. Further, verbs can be categorized into two forms, namely regular verbs and irregular verbs. Regular verbs ends with ed, d, t or ied, whereas in irregular verbs it changes in vowel in past tense. For example, in regular verb, walk will change into walked, change into changed, spend into spent, manage into managed, worry into worried. And under irregular verb, drink into drank, give, gave, eat, ate, teach, taught, buy, bought. Here are some few examples of regular verbs and irregular verbs, like for played, danced, listened, walked, worked. That will come in regular verbs. And for irregular, eat, ate, eaten, have, had, go, went, gone, make, made, made. There are three forms of simple past tense, namely affirmative form, negative form, and interrogative form. We also say positive form to affirmative forms. The structure for positive form would be subject plus simple past verb second form plus object. For example, he played football. Structure for negative form would be subject plus did not plus verb first form plus object. For example, he did not play football. Structure for interrogative statements: did plus subject plus base form, that is verb first form, plus object plus question mark. It is mandatory to put question mark while framing interrogative sentences. Let's have a look on the examples. He drew the old man out of the ditch. She used to wash clothes daily. He wrote an interesting story. The child completed his homework. Did he live in this house? Here are further examples of positive statements, negative statements, and interrogative statements. For example, in positive statement, the sentence is he met his wife 6 years ago. In negative, he didn't meet her. And for framing interrogative sentences, did he feel sad yesterday? The next example is I graduated from the university. For negative, I didn't graduate. And for interrogative statement, it could be did they watch a movie? We use simple past tense to express action that took place at some point of time in the past tense and are over now. For example, he broke his tooth last week. Peter cooked dinner last night. It is used to express some past habits also. For example, Peter played the piano when he was a child. He studied Spanish when he was a student. It is also used to express action that began and ended in the past. It is also used for series of completed actions. For example, he sat down, took out a notebook and a pen and started taking notes. He made breakfast, drove his son to school and went to work. The simple past tense of most verbs ends in ed. These verbs are called regular verbs. For example, watched, played. Base form plus ed. Verbs ending in a consonant plus y. For example, studied, carried. Verbs ending in e plus d. For example, closed, liked. The simple past form of some verbs does not end in ed. Such verbs are called irregular verbs. We have already discussed it earlier about regular verbs and irregular verbs. For example, wrote, spoke, ate, read. I hope you have understood the concept of simple past tense. God bless you. Bye.